Hello everyone. Hi, this is Social Media Boss Lady, and we are live again today. And today's tip I have for you today. Okay, let's see. All right, like last week, I got a couple of questions from people on WhatsApp on how do they use LinkedIn and how do they work on their LinkedIn profiles, how do they get more leads, how do they get more customers, how do they get more clients. And so I felt that okay, probably this week I would try to do a couple of videos on that shows you how you could use LinkedIn very well, and which happens to be my all-time favorite social media network. So believe me, I have invested time, money on this platform. So when I say I know what I'm talking about, believe me, I know what I'm talking about. All right. So the very first question that I would ask you for all LinkedIn users is that when a prospect comes to your LinkedIn profile, ask yourself this: that are they inspired to take action? Ask yourself that question. Now, let's put it this way. When Hi, visual branding chick, welcome. And just put it this way. So for most people, that answer would be no, because first impressions matter a lot. I mean, we cannot underestimate or underdefine, so to speak, the importance and the value of first impressions. But most people tend to have it wrong online, first impressions online. So let's be clear. So if a random prospect actually comes to your LinkedIn profile and they are not inspired to take some sort of action, hi Shwazi. Okay, and they are not inspired to take some sort of action, whether it's connecting with you or clicking on a link to go to your website or reading some of your blog posts or liking or sharing or commenting. Trust me, you have failed to make a first impression. That may sound harsh. I'm sorry, but really it's the truth. And one thing you have to do is that with the truth that you have, it's good for you to take this truth that I'm telling you to improve yourself rather than accepting defeat. But don't worry, I'm not just going to be harsh all the way. I'm going to show you how to make your LinkedIn profile better. Now, I do believe that a truly great LinkedIn profile consists of four major elements. One is credibility. Two is optimization for LinkedIn search. Three, impact. And four, connection with your target market. And I'm going to say that again. A truly great LinkedIn profile consists of four elements, four major elements. One is, what did I say? The first one was credibility. The second is optimization for LinkedIn search. The third is for impact, and the fourth is connection with your target audience. I'm going to take it one by one. All right. So for credibility, are you an authority in your field? Show us the evidence. Let your LinkedIn profile, your LinkedIn timeline, let it show us the evidence that you say you are the authority that you define yourself to be. Now, two, which is optimization for LinkedIn search. Now, hi, Ivan Digital, welcome. Now, let's say, let me put it this way. So, for the second element, which is optimization for LinkedIn search, it won't make sense if you do have a great LinkedIn profile and then nobody sees it. Okay, clear? Now, the third, which is impact. Now, you say you have a LinkedIn profile out there. How much of an impact are you creating with your connections, with your network? I mean, are people inspired when they come to your profile? Are they inspired to take action with you? And then the last, which is connection to your target market. Now, when the right people come to your LinkedIn profile, you have to make it very obvious that whatever it is you say that you offer, that they need to believe that you have the solutions to whatever problem it is they have. So, four basic elements for a true great LinkedIn profile. One, credibility. You say you're an authority in whatever field you are. Hi, Go Corporate NG, Joseph Bliss. Hi, welcome. So you say you are an authority in your field expertise, whether you are a graphic designer, whether you are an accountant, whether you are a medical doctor or an event planner. Credibility matters a lot in your LinkedIn profile. Show us the evidence that you say you are an authority in whatever field. Two, optimize your LinkedIn profile for so when people search for people with your kind of skills, your profile comes up, because it doesn't make sense when you have a great LinkedIn profile and you say you do all these things and yet nobody sees it. Three, impact. Whatever it is you say you do, or you say you help people, problems you say you help to solve, if the right prospect comes to your LinkedIn profile, they have to be inspired to take action, okay? And four, connection with your target market. So here, make it very obvious on your LinkedIn profile that you have the solution to your target market's problems. All right. Now, the fact is that the question really I have for you is that, are you currently using LinkedIn to grow your business? Well, or are you thinking, okay, yes, I do want to use LinkedIn to grow my business, but I just haven't gotten to it, or I haven't gotten started or anything. Now, basically, LinkedIn is very essential for B2B businesses, that's business to business, and it's also very effective for B2C businesses. Now, currently, 97% of people that are using LinkedIn are using it quite wrongly. And then there are the 3% that are using it correctly, and they are getting amazing results and gaining credibility and visibility for their businesses. Now, so where do you belong? Do you belong in the 97 that are using LinkedIn and are using it wrongly, or the 3% that are using LinkedIn and are using it correctly and are getting results? Okay, so answer that question for yourself. But if you do need help in creating a killer and amazing, truly great LinkedIn profile, why don't you put your name and your LinkedIn profile in the comment section below after I'm done with this live, and then I'll take a look at your LinkedIn profile and I'll give you recommendations on what it is that you need to do moving forward. Or if you feel that, okay, after this live video, I think I know what to do, you're socially savvy, you know the ins and outs, good luck to you, no problem. But if you feel that you need help strengthening your LinkedIn profile, put your company name, or as an individual, put your name in the comment section below. I'll take a look at your LinkedIn profile and then I'll give you recommendations on what I feel it is that you should do. Alright, so that's it for today on my tip for you guys on LinkedIn. So basically, don't forget the 4 major elements that your LinkedIn profile should consist of. It should show that you are an authority in whatever field you say you do. It should be optimized for LinkedIn search. You should be able to create an impact with your LinkedIn profile, and also with your LinkedIn profile you should be able to connect with your target market. And so that's all for today, guys. This is Social Media Boss Lady signing out, and I will see you again probably tomorrow, because I'm actually thinking probably in the next couple of days to do I'll take it one day at a time. Basically 10 steps basically you need to take to improve your LinkedIn profile. And so if you catch me live again tomorrow, it could be this time, it could be earlier, but I will take it one step at a time. This and this is what you need to do so that you can be well on your way to creating an amazing LinkedIn profile that your target audience will see and love and will reach out to you to answer whatever problems that they have. So that's all for today, guys. Bye, and thank you for joining me on the live today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.